kind of like people that may be listening to this podcast and thinking, well, I'm on Pinterest and I'm not getting, nothing's happening for me. What are these ladies talking about? Like I'm not getting any traction. So what are some common mistakes you see people making when it comes down to using Pinterest and actually getting traction from the platform?
Mm-hmm. So they don't realize that it's a search engine instead of social media. And so they think, like with Instagram, you put together your image and you put together a caption and maybe have some hashtags and you post it. With Pinterest, I see people doing the same thing. They make it, they pin it once, and they're on to the next piece of content. And I think most people do not have a content issue. Most people have created way too much content and they need to get more strategic. They need to go through, filter, identify the most common, popular things that they've created in the past, and they need to go through and revamp them, optimize them, and spend their time making money in their business and not creating so much content. That is what I'll say about that. The biggest mistakes are